With only 2 out of every 10 working Kenyans enrolled in a formal pension scheme, stakeholders in the pension industry are now exploring ways of widening the net to bring on board the vast informal sector into mainstream. Pension Services, the Retirement Benefits Authority, indicates that whereas the pension assets under management have soared to 1.4 trillion shillings as at the close of 2020, majority of Kenyans are still locked out of the retirement safety net.
On average, the Kenyan economy creates 800,000 jobs every year, 85% of which are in the informal economy, whereas majority of employees have no access to social safety nets such as medical insurance and pension. This is prodding stakeholders in the pensions industry to explore innovative ways of widening the penetration of pension services from the present 20%.
We are also going to be able to employ technology to withdraw our pension funds through mobile technology. So we are making it very seamless. You will be able to enjoy your pension from the comfort of your house.
The market regulator states that pension funds have been instrumental in helping Kenyans tide through financial distress, particularly following the adverse effects of the COVID-19 pandemic, which has occasioned pervasive job losses. Kenyans have been tapping into the pension kitties to meet day-to-day needs.
Most of it is deployed towards things like school fees and so on. I think housing is like number 2 or 3, and healthcare is also is close to it in terms of percentages.
The industry has proved to be very resilient. 2020, despite all that, we saw growth from 1.2 trillion to 1.4 trillion in assets of the pension industry. That's around 7% growth, which is quite good.
RBA says data indicates that the young borrow, prime working age individuals save, and the older people spend after retirement. This trend has called for proper policies and a concerted effort towards making the savings culture a priority for Kenyans. This will in turn create a more stable financial infrastructure that will ensure a healthy pension system for a better retirement security. Kevin Mutai, NTV in Mombasa.